Welcome to Buddha's Life Teachings. Today we will explore a profound story from the teachings of the Buddha. This is the story of Kisagotami and the mustard seed. Kisagotami was a young woman who lived in a small village. She was married and had a beloved son who was the light of her life. One day, a tragedy struck. Kisa's son fell ill, and despite all her efforts, he passed away. Overwhelmed by grief, Kisa refused to accept his death. In her despair, Kisa carried her son's body through the village, asking for a cure to bring him back to life. The villagers could only offer their condolences, but no one could help her. A compassionate villager suggested she go to the Buddha, who was known for his wisdom and compassion. Desperate for a solution, Kisa approached the Buddha and pleaded for help. "Bring me a mustard seed from a home that has never known death, and I will help you," said the Buddha. Filled with hope, Kisa began her search. She knocked on every door, asking for a mustard seed from a family untouched by death. But in every home, she heard stories of loss and mourning. As Kisa heard each family's story, she realized that death is a universal experience. Her grief was not unique, and she was not alone in her suffering. With this newfound understanding, Kisa returned to the Buddha. She had not found a mustard seed, but she had found the wisdom to accept the impermanence of life. Buddha said, "In this world, nothing is permanent. Understanding this brings wisdom and peace." Kisagotami had learned to see beyond her own grief and embrace the truth of existence. The story of Kisagotami and the mustard seed offers us many important lessons. First, it helps us understand that grief is something we all experience, and knowing this can bring comfort. It also shows us that suffering is a shared human experience, which can help us feel less alone and more connected to others. The story teaches us about the Buddhist concept of impermanence, reminding us to accept change and live in the present moment. It also emphasizes the importance of letting go of what we can't control and finding peace through acceptance and compassion for ourselves and others. Lastly, Kisagotami's journey is a powerful reminder that we can find strength and hope even in our darkest times, and that personal growth often comes from overcoming challenges. We hope this story has brought you some comfort and wisdom. If it resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more teachings from the Buddha. Let's create a supportive community together. Thank you for watching. Namaste.